Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, the Honorable Board Examiners, the Honorable my Supervisor, Mr. Liliek Soepriatmadji, Dr. M.Pd. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Phan Yunianti Wijaya, English Literature Student 2018 in English Department, Faculty of Law and Language, University of Tigubang, Semarang. This video is made for the requirement of my final project for Sarjana Sastra degree in English Literature. My final project is under the title Using Dora the Explorer cartoon movie series to facilitate the mastery of selected children's vocabulary. This research was motivated by English is spoken in practically every country around the world. Vocabulary is the most crucial component of learning English. It is the key for learners to be able to communicate effectively in English. It is critical for parents to practice English language with their children. Movie is one of the media that can be used as the teaching tool. A movie is an audiovisual aid that consists of a series of still or moving images. Also, cartoon movies are excellent learning tools because they give sight and noises that keep young learners engaged. Dora the Explorer and influences children's concentration and memory by providing instruction to engage children in the activities performed by the main character. Dora the Explorer is a preschool-age children's cartoon movie that teaches a wide range of lessons. In the episode Baby Winky Come Home, children learn basic English words such as number, vocabulary, and color. Objectives of the study: first, to find out how Dora the Explorer cartoon movie can be facilitated in the learning of children's selected vocabulary. And second, to elaborate their vocabulary competence when they are facilitated with Dora the Explorer cartoon movie series. The research method. This research used the descriptive qualitative method. The subject of the study is 16 students of PAUD Mulia in the second semester of the 2021-2022 academic year. And the research conducted at PAUD Mulia in the Kaliwiru district of Semarang City between 7 until 14 June 2022. And method of data collection is carried out using observation, documentation, and test, pretest, and post-test. Method of data analysis consists of pre-field analysis and field analysis. Pre-field analysis is preparation, a research plan, taking care of licensing, and prepare research equipment. And the second is field analysis. According to Miles and Haberman, the following are the data analysis activities: is 1. Data reduction. The data gained from observation was coded based student responses, the use of flashcards when administering pretest and post-test, and gather documentation. And the second is data display, take the form of graph or table, and the last is conclusion drawing or verification. Rubrics are used to assess children's mastery of their vocabulary, which include number vocabulary, food vocabulary, and color vocabulary. The following is a rubric for calculating the score of Pautmulia student test data. Students are allowed to mention the number, vocabulary, and color flashcard in English related in Dora the Explorer cartoon movie. They will get score 1. And students are allowed to mention the number, vocabulary, color flashcard in English related in the Dora the Explorer cartoon movie. They won't get score. Flashcard. They are flashcards that the researchers use when administering the test. Number, vocabulary, and color. Finding and discussion. Result of observation data. Prior to the research action, the Pautmulia children's ability to master English vocabulary was relatively low because English lessons have not been registered in the playgroup learning curriculum. The use of Dora the Explorer cartoon movie series was shown in the study to facilitate children's vocabulary mastery. Dora the Explorer cartoon movie series requires children to think and concentrate, but in a fun way. Students can easily follow the vocabulary presented in the video, then try to say and memorize it. They become more enthusiastic about participating in activities when they use the media to watch cartoons. Some of them are even more confident in answering the vocabulary question presented by flashcard. Result of test data. Based on the result of the research conducted on 7 until 14 June 2022, the study succeeded in obtaining pre-test and post-test as follows. You can see the class average before in the pre-test and post-test increased significantly. Based on the graph, the average grade of the class increased significantly. Some children can recite the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 in full. They were successful in mastering food vocabulary by mentioning the following items: apple, milk, egg, corn, carrot, and watermelon. Finally, for color mastery, some children were able to identify the following colors: red, yellow, green, blue, orange, and purple. According to the research conducted at Pautmulia, watching the Dora the Explorer cartoon movie series can significantly increase English vocabulary, particularly number, vocabulary, and colors. I concluded is learning English vocabulary through cartoon movies can relax students and allow them to fully concentrate on the learning. Second, students become more confident and active in responding to the researchers' flashcard question. And third, the result of pre-test and post-test data analysis show that Pautmulia students have facilitated their vocabulary mastery, particularly number, vocabulary, and color vocabulary. And the last is kindergarten school must hold simple English lessons such as basic English vocabulary learning to provide added value to students in the future. And the suggestions from this research are: first, teachers can use cartoon movie media effectively to ensure that English learning proceeds as planned. And the last is For the writer, if you want to do more research on children's vocabulary, please do more research to follow up. For example, using quantitative research so that it is no longer descriptive. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.